Hey guys, so this video is on absolute value. What is absolute value? The distance a number is away from 0. Okay, how far a number is away from 0. And some things to remember is that its symbol are these two tall lines, right? So if I say, 3, what is the absolute value of 3? One way you can see it is those two big walls. Absolute value of 3 on the inside there. And then another thing to remember is that it is never negative. Okay, so absolute value is how far away a number is from 0. Symbol is these two big walls. What is the absolute value of a number? And it is never going to be negative. So let's talk about this a little bit. So this is my house, right? And I'm walking away from my house. I'm walking this way. I walked that way, let's say 5 blocks. Okay, so this is me. How far away am I from my house? I'm 5 blocks away. All right. What if my friend is leaving my house too? So if they're walking this way and she walks this way 5 blocks. How far away is she from my house? 5 blocks. What if I had another friend who walks away from the house? They're going straight. Here's my friend and he walks how far away? Let's say he walks 5 blocks away. So it doesn't matter what direction the three of us walked in. We all walked in a different direction, but we're still 5 blocks away from that house. Okay, so it doesn't matter where I'm going. All I really wanted to know was how far away are you from the house? In all 3 of these situations, they're all 5 blocks away. All right, so now let's look at this in terms of a number line. If I'm looking at an absolute value of a number, okay, we're pretending like the 0 is a house. How far away are these numbers from this house? Same situation here. I don't care if I'm going to the right. I don't care if I'm going to the left. I just want to know how far away you are from the house. So if we're looking at this positive 3 over here, our red point, how far away is that 3 from 0? Or how far away is a person standing at 3 going to be away from the house? Well, right, so if somebody walked away from the house and he's over here, how far away are you? Well, 1, 2, 3. You are still 3. 3 is 3 away from 0, 3 steps away. So the absolute value of 3 is still 3. Okay, well, what if you walk to the left? Right, now we're at the left side of a number line. We're at -3 here. What if this guy walked to the left of the house? How far away is he from this house, though? How far away is -3 from 0? Count 1, 2, 3. Right, so it doesn't matter if he went to the left, he's still 3 steps away from the house. So even though we're looking at 3, +3, and -3, if you take the absolute value, I just want to know how far away you are from 0. It's always going to be positive. All right, so let's look at another example here. All right, now we're looking at all these negative sides of a number line, but same deal, we're still looking at a number line. What is the absolute value of this red point? Well, we could fill in this number line here, figure out what that integer is. So we got -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So I know that that red dot, that point, is at -5. Well, what is the absolute value of -5? Or in other words, how far away is that -5 from 0? Well, let's start at -5 and do some counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5 steps away from 0, right? To get to this 5 all the way over here to the 0 is 5. So the absolute value of -5, even though it's negative, that's okay. Absolute value is always going to be positive. It's how far away, what is that distance? Still 5 steps away from 0. Okay, so that's absolute value looking at a number line. So let's use the symbol now. Alrighty, so now I know absolute value is going to be symbolized by these two big walls. Absolute value, what is the absolute value of 4? Okay, so that's what this is saying. What is the absolute value of 4? Let me draw this line a little bit further down. Well, I'm asking you how far away is 4 from 0? Now, if you want, you could draw a number line. Let's see if this is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 4. Well, how far away would 4 be from 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. This distance is 4. So the absolute value of 4 is 4. Okay, so the absolute value of 4 is 4. How far away is 4 from 0? 4 steps. Let's do another one. What if it's negative? What is the absolute value, all right, my two big lines, of, let's say, negative 6? Let's try to figure this out. What is the absolute value of negative 6? Or how far away is negative 6 from 0? We could draw a number line. Right, so if this is 0, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 6. And again, I'm just asking, how far away is this point from 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6 steps away from 0, so I know the absolute value of negative 6 is 6. It's how many steps away from 0 is it? All right, so absolute value is symbolized by those two big walls. You can also see it written out what is the absolute value of. All right, it's never going to be negative because I'm just asking you how far away are you from 0. All righty, and that's it. It's always going to be positive, absolute value. How far away is a number from 0?